It even says non-dairy creamer. Why would you put non-dairy creamer into beef and barbecue? I don't know, but these people did, and it's bad. So don't eat this unless you really like cream on your barbecue. What's up, guys? This is American in the Philippines. Today we're gonna do another Filipino snack taste test. We're doing barbecue today. We got 5 different varieties of barbecue chips here in the Philippines. We're actually gonna do this as a 2 or 3 parter because there's so many barbecue chips and I can't do like 15 in one video. It'd be like an hour long. So we're gonna do 5 today. These are pretty common ones that I see a lot. So if I missed anything or your favorite isn't on here, list it down in the comments and I'll try it next time we do this review. So let's get started. We're gonna start with, strange you get it in a green bag, but this is the sweet chili, but it is barbecue flavored. These are like corn chips, kind of. Let's give it a smell. It does smell kind of like vinegary, like sour. Aslom, I think is the word in Bisaya. Salty, a little sweet, onion, garlic, little chili. Very nice. Very crispy. It does say nature identical meat flavor. So I don't think that's a real thing. I think that's some weird chemical they put on here to taste like meat. I don't really taste meat, so I don't know what it's doing. But in general, it's pretty good. Barbecue flavor, chili, onion, garlic, salty, sweet, definitely barbecue. I can see why they call it sweet chili. I would probably eat these again. I don't know if I would buy them again. They're good, but there's many other chips that I like better. So I'm gonna give this a solid 7.6. Really good. If you like sweet chili, definitely give these a shot. So sweet chili brand. They have another variety. Let's just go there. They also have a red chili. These are also just barbecue. I guess maybe this one is spicy. We're about to see. Let's get in here. Let's give it a smell. It smells very similar as the last one, which I guess you could expect. The chips look almost identical. Let's give it a taste. Very different flavor. This one I can taste meat in, but surprisingly I don't see, okay, sorry about that. My battery died in the middle of my sentence. So if the camera looks a little shifted, that's why I had to take it apart, put the new battery in and get back to it. So we're still on the red chili. Definitely meaty, little, not really spicy, but I can taste a little chili powder in here. They're good. I think I like them better than the others. Very onion and garlic flavor. This is more like traditional barbecue flavor that I would expect. So I'm gonna give this one a 7.8. Again, I like this variety, but the flavor profile just doesn't hit me very strongly. So I'm gonna say it's really good. And if you like barbecue, it's definitely worth a try because the chips are really nice. This will make good nachos. Put a little cheese on this, melt the cheese in the oven or even like in a pan on the stove if you don't have an oven. That would be super good with a little melted cheese on it. So 7.8, I think I said. So we got 3 more. Let's try an odd one. Another barbecue in a green bag, which I think is different. Usually the color represents kind of the flavor. So this is corn ole. It's an Oishi brand. It's thinly rolled corn that's fried. Never tried this brand. I've never really seen this brand, but it was unique, so I picked it up. Oh, this one is very, very garlic forward. It says it's corn, rice, sugar, barbecue seasoning. Kind of reminds me of like the vegetable chicharrones here. That kind of consistency, super crunchy, airy. There's lots of little bubbles inside. I don't know if you can see those. Really good consistency. Barbecue flavor is nice. Tiny bit spicy, not really sweet, which I like. The texture is really cool. This would be good with like a dip. If you had a little sour cream or something to eat with this. I would say this is probably my favorite so far. We're gonna give this an 8.1. Really nice, unique. I don't know if you've had corn ole or if they make more flavors. If they do, let me know. I'll try to find some more flavors of this because I really like this brand. I thought it was gonna be different when I picked it up. I thought maybe it would be sweet or something, but this is like chili pepper, garlic, onion, salt. Super, super, super nice. Yeah, it does say it has onions, garlic powder, plus barbecue seasoning and a lot of different like MSG and different salt derivatives in here. Super nice, super nice. So 8.1 for this. So far the winner. We've got two more normal barbecue ones. I guess we'll go with, this is Jack and Jill barbecue flavor. Jack and Jill always has great chips. Last time we did the salt and vinegar variety. Oh yeah, let's give it a smell. It smells a little burnt. Actually a little like pool water. Why do some of these snacks always smell like pool water? Like chemicals? Yeah, it's like burnt potato. And like the bin that you store potatoes in. Like if you've had potatoes in there for too long and you smell it, that's a weird variety, but let's give it a shot. I'm not getting a lot of barbecue flavor. And they're not that crispy. Not liking these. I'll take it a little burnt, very potatoey, but not much on the seasoning. Not much garlic, not much onion, not much chili. These are okay. I wouldn't buy these again. Maybe there are other Jack and Jill varieties you know of that you can tell me about. But I'm gonna give these a solid 5.6. They're okay, not terrible. I wouldn't buy them again, but you know, if they were at a party or something, I would eat some if that was the only choice. So far so good. We got one more. Super Crunch. Now we did a Super Crunch only taste test before. And we left out the beefy barbecue flavor. And that's because I wanted to do these barbecue taste tests. So we're gonna give it a shot. I did like most of the Super Crunch varieties that I tried. They were very unique. That's such a weird smell. Burnt shoes and rubber. Like if you, kind of like they're tarring a road. What is up with the weird chemicals? Yeah, I'm not getting a food here. It's just like burnt rubber smell. Looks barbecue. It's orange. Let's give it a taste. Okay, it started good and then it went bad. It starts like very strong beef, and I think that's the weird rubber smell that I got. But then it goes to sugar. It's like if you ate like barbecue and then they just dipped it in sugar before they gave it to you. Wow. Yeah. No. It's the weirdest like experience. Like you start barbecue, okay, pure sugar, chemicals. Not my favorite. Not the worst I've had. I think the Twin Lions cheese bones, I think was their name. The Twin Lions ones were terrible. These, yeah, rubber, chemicals, a weird fake beef flavor. I don't know what they're doing, but just use beef bouillon, guys. It's that easy. They sell it cheap. You can buy it, you know, by the kilo, and it's very, very cheap. This one's gonna be a 3.7 for me. I definitely wouldn't buy these again. Probably wouldn't eat these again. Maybe if I didn't see them in the bag and I was like, oh, what are these? But it's a very strange flavor experience here. Would not recommend. The other Super Crunch I really like, but those were all cheesy versions, I think. For some reason, the beef barbecue is like a weird miss for them. It even says non-dairy creamer. Why would you put non-dairy creamer into beef and barbecue? I don't know. but these people did, and it's bad. So don't eat this unless you really like cream on your barbecue. So anyway, interesting variety today. I think overall the Oishi corn ole were my favorites. Very interesting texture. Nice barbecue flavor, very straightforward. Lightly seasoned. These are great. And again, this is only maybe 7 pesos for these. Really good value. If I missed any barbecue ones that you think are really good, let me know. I think V-Cut makes a good barbecue. I'll have to try to find some of those. But if there's any other barbecue snacks, like I've got Happy Barbecue Peanuts, I've got some barbecue crackers we're gonna try. So just let me know. I'll be glad to try anything else, guys. Thanks so much for watching. We've been monetized now, so every view and every like, comment, all of that goes to helping raise money for the orphanage that I volunteer at. So the more views we get, the more money we have to donate to those people to help all those kids. So thank you so much, guys. I appreciate all, I appreciate all your help. We'll see you later. Bye.